水，一道弯弯曲曲的水流，两旁的扁表示水滴或溅起的水花，这就是水字。
A winding stream of water, with dots on both sides representing water droplets or splashes. This is the character for water.
水。川，两边是河岸，中间是弯曲的河流，川就是河流的意思。
On both sides are river banks, and in the middle is a winding river.
川
refers to a flowing river.
泉，泉水从泉眼中流出来，这便是泉字。
Spring water flowing from a spring source. This is the character for spring.
泉。贝，一枚贝壳的形象，这是贝子。
A shell-like image. This is the character for shell, bay.
石，上面是山崖，下面是一块大石头，就像一块大石头从山崖上掉下来，这是石头的石字。
Above is a cliff, and below is a large stone, resembling a big rock falling from a cliff. This is the character for stone.
石。山，山字像一座山，它有3个山峰。
The character for mountain.
山
looks like a mountain with 3 peaks.
土，一个从地面凸起的土堆，这是土字。
A mound of earth protruding from the ground. This is the character for soil.
土。